Thank you for seeing my video, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your CD player that you are taking from your laptop / writer and convert it to an external CD player / writer. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to thumbs up, thumbs down, or to click one of the affiliate links that I have on the description of the channel. Well, in order to start, I will need to have this CD player writer, and this one I took from my laptop, which I'm going to put a link up in the eye. And I also bought this one, that it's only a case for the CD writer. So in order to start, what I need to do is to take these screws out, because this is where the screw is going to be screw in when it's in the laptop. So you need to take this screw adapter in order to start and be able to put it in the case. So it's only 2 screws out. Taking this adapter out and seeing inside of the case, as you can see, there are connectors for the SATA and also for the electricity. That is also a type of SATA. And the only thing that you need to do is only to slide it in this adapter, not like I'm doing it in force, but try to slide it as best as you can. Well, now the only thing that is left is to connect the USB and also to connect the electricity to this case of the CD. So you are going to be able to use this CD. As you see, it's in USB 3, and what I'm going to do is to connect it to the computer. The first time it's not going to work, but second time it's going to work. So now putting the disk on this disk writer, and I'm going to show you how long it's going to take in order to copy a file from the computer to this CD writer. And I'm going to show it in 3, 2, 1, now. Well, the only thing that you need to take from this video is that you don't need to buy any new DVD, CD player or anything like that. The only thing that you need to do is to see if you have an old laptop that you can use in order to take the CD player, DVD player, writer, whatever there is in this laptop, and just buy an adapter. It's cheap, and the only thing that you need to do is to put the CD player, DVD or whatever you have in this adapter in order to use it external. So I hope that you enjoy it, I hope that you learn something from this video. thumbs up, thumbs down, put in also in the comment.